Hey, Howard. I'm the other Spider-Man.
Pleasure to meet you. Thanks for the help. I've got 3 birds missing. Worried about them in this cold.
I can track them. Do you have anything that, belong to them?
Feathers work?
Perfect. Got it. I'll be back.
Oh, hey, you scanned one of Howard's pigeons. Howard Protocol now active.
Howard Protocol?
Welcome to Pigeon Facts, your source for daily fun facts about pigeons.
Oh, no. Unsubscribe.
You have opted in.
Second coop? Did someone steal Howard's birds? Pigeon trails go in 3 directions. Should check them all. Active crime scene. Looks like a break-in.
3rd break-in this week. We'll be setting a new record at this rate.
Don't even joke about that.
Hey, officers. What's the situation? Can I help?
Tenant's a bugle reporter. Place was tossed upside down, but nothing's been stolen. Whatever they're looking for wasn't here.
Let me look into it. Maybe I'll have more luck. Oh, gotta run. Swing, you know. These birds are fast. What do they eat? Coffee? Sugar? Jet fuel?
Pigeon Fact 1, incoming.
How do I turn this off?
Did you know scientist Nikola Tesla nursed injured pigeons back to health? When his favorite bird died, he was inconsolable for weeks.
That's cut. Gotcha. Hey, Howard. Caught a bird. She's pretty feisty.
I bet it's Piggy. Lots of pep. She can find her way back, Spider-Man. Just point her in my direction.
Will do. All right. Should head back to the coop. Track the other birds. Might be the pigeon thieves.
Talking through carrier pigeons. I'll admit I didn't think it'd work. I'm a believer now.
Well, I just thought cops are tapping our phones, so why use phones?
I don't believe this.
Genius.
We'll need more birds, though. Sure. After we're done here.
How'd you find us? You can't hack our cell phones. We're using birds to communicate.
One of them dropped something. Tomorrow night, roof, be there. At the Bugle? Hey, Pigeon! Stop!
Pigeon Fact 2, a smidgen more pigeon.
He's really into pigeons.
Over 200,000 carrier pigeons were used during World War II. The birds delivered messages when conventional means failed, and saved countless lives.
Actually, kinda relevant to the present circumstances.
Pigeon Facts, out.
Come on, little pigeon. Howard was right. These guys are not easy to catch. I cannot lose this bird. Got him. Howard, got a bird. Think they're using your pigeons to plant something at the Bugle.
Really? Maybe they're looking for some juicy news. They got the best reporters in town.
Ha, maybe. I'll find out. But first, I'll get your birds. One more. This got a lot more complicated than I expected. Another pigeon. And he's got a note. No, Birdie!
Pigeon fact 3. Here we go.
Not gonna lie. Kinda enjoying these.
Peter Parker did not...
There! Hold still. Okay. Checking the note. Change of plans. We're moving now. Howard! Got all your birds. The bad news is, the gang is using them to plan a series of break-ins.
Oh, no. Tell me you got some good news, too.
Yep, I know where the gang's gonna be. The Bugle. Gonna take them out and keep your pigeons safe.
Love it. Give them hell, Spider-Man.
Time to save the Daily Bugle from a break-in. MJ will be proud. Band's all here. Pigeons did their work.
One of our guys tipped the bugle off to this pigeon. I don't know which it was. I would. Meantime, we'll break it. I can't wait for New Year's. Tourists everywhere ripe for the picking. Guys, what is it? It's supposed to be untraceable!
Sucks to be you. I got feathers. Not sound as cool as I thought it would. If there's a creativity award for crime planning, you guys win. Practicality? No, but definitely creativity.
gonna crush you!
Daily Bugle saved. Howard, I took out the group that stole your pigeons. They won't bother you anymore.
Good looking out. Now I just gotta talk to my birds about picking better friends.
Well, if y'all need me again, just hit up the app. Good meeting you, Howard.
You too, Spider-Man.
This will be safer with... Hey! What are y'all hanging around Fisk Tower for?
You on the floor!
Gotta be the last one.